This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Marla Harris. Building lots near Solsberry, ready to build your custom home. These lots will accommodate a ranch, 1/2-story or 2-story floor plan. Homes can be built on either a slab or over a basement. Utilities, water and electric are in place for the lots. Bowman Homes is ready to begin construction. Choose one of their floor plans or bring your own. Property is just minutes from Solsberry, Bloomfield and Bloomington. For more information, review the details below or contact Marla Harris at 812-323-1231.